How to draw Freddy from Tots, step by step. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, I hope you're all doing well today. So to begin, we're going to start off by making a curved line that will be going slightly slanted. Nice! Now from the first point of that curved line that we just made, we're going to make a second curved line that will be going underneath. Now inside, we're going to make a third curved line that will connect to the end point up top. Let's use one small line to connect the top to the bottom. Now in the open space on the bottom, we're going to make a long triangle-like shape. This will be the mouth of Freddy. Inside of that triangle-like shape, we're going to use an upside-down C-like shape to make the tongue. Also, if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video of Freddy, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that I can keep you up to date on the latest drawing tutorials every single day. Now above the beak that we just made, we're going to begin to make the outline of the top of the head, so we're going to start by making one small C-like shape that will turn into a long curved line all the way over to the right hand side of the page and down. Wow, great job! This is coming along very well. Now on the left hand side of the page, we're going to make 3 pieces of hair that will be standing up. We can do this by using 3 triangle-like shapes. Now starting from those 3 pieces of hair that we just made, we're going to make a long L-like shape that will help make the neck of Freddy. Fantastic! Now from that L-like shape, at the bottom point, we're going to make one line that will connect it to the beak. Fantastic! Now let's move up top. We're going to make 3 pieces of hair on the very top of the head. We're going to add in 1 piece on the right hand side as well as 1 on the left hand side. The one on the right hand side will be longer than the one on the left hand side. Nice. Now as I was saying, the piece on the left hand side will be shorter, but it will also appear to be standing up. Whoa, Freddy has a really cool hairstyle. Now we're going to begin to make the hat on the top of the head. We're going to do this by making one curved line that will connect to the middle piece of hair. We're almost done with the hat, but we're not done just yet. We have to add in one more piece above those 3 pieces of hair that we previously made. Be sure to stick around until the very end so that we can clown our drawing together. Now we're getting near the end. We're going to move right above the beak and we're going to begin to make the eyes of Freddy. We're going to start off by making one hook-like shape on the left hand side with a circle underneath. Now inside of the circle that we just made, we're going to begin to make the pupil. We're going to do this by adding in a black dot with a white spot in the middle. Now as you notice, we're going to leave a blank open spot for that eye right now. We're going to come back and close that in a little bit later. But now let's move slightly to the right because we're going to begin to make the second eye of Freddy. But this will be connected to the right side of his head. Now if you remember, for the left eye, we had the pupil in the middle, but this pupil will be connected to the left line. So right now we're going to make a circle that will be the same size as the one that we previously made. Inside of that circle, let's add in a pupil. Now above each eye that we just made, we're going to use a simple line to add in an eyebrow. Now let's close off the open spots on each eye. Now last but not least, we're going to add in one line on the beak, which will help separate the colors. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. Be sure to give this video a big like if you enjoyed it. Now let's go ahead and call our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.